Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the JBL Tune Beam True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds versus the JBL Tune Flex 2 True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Now, if you don't know what these two offer or what their difference is, firstly, the JBL Tune Beam offers a true wireless earbud featuring JBL's pure sound bass and active noise cancelling with smart ambient technology and up to 48 hours of battery life. Now for the JBL Tune Flex 2 offers a true wireless earbud offering JBL's pure bass sound also with active noise cancelling with smart ambient sound and up to 32 hours of battery life. And you also notice this one is more expensive than this one. So let's go over the pros and cons starting with the JBL Tune. So the pros of it is that it has a longer battery life, up to 48 hours, and has a IP54 rating of dust and waterproof or water resistance. It also has a multi-point connection support. Now the cons of it has a slightly bulkier design, and it may lack in customizable ear tips, as you can see. Now let's go over the pros and cons of the JBL Tune Flex. The pros of it is that it is compact and lightweight in design. It also includes customizable ear tips for a better fit. And it also has active noise cancelling with smart ambient sound. Now the cons of it is that it has a shorter battery life compared to the JBL Tune Beam. And it also has a lower IP dust resistance and water resistance compared to the Tune Beam. So which one is right for you? So you should choose the JBL Tune Beam if you prioritize longer battery life and higher durability with dust and water resistance. And you should choose the JBL Tune Flex 2 if you prefer a more compact design with customizable ear tips for a better fit. So the JBL Tune Flex 2 is the better option overall and for both of them. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.